हाय, मैं हूँ टर्बन ट्रिपर और आज हम जाएंगे द सिटी ब्यूटीफुल एंड द प्लांट सिटी, चंडीगढ़। अगर आप चंडीगढ़ के हैं या आप चंडीगढ़ घूम चुके हैं तो यू आर गोइंग टू फील नॉस्टैल्जिक एंड ऑफ कोर्स रिफ्रेश्ड। चंडीगढ़ अगर आप जाएं तो सुखना लेक ना जाएं तो ऐसा हो नहीं सकता। तो आज हम विजिट करेंगे सुखना लेक, और एक ऐसी जगह सुखना लेक में जहाँ पर लोग जाकर भी नहीं जाते। चलो देन लेट्स गो। और अगर आप चंडीगढ़ के हैं और चंडीगढ़ में रह नहीं रहे हैं तो यू विल एब्सोल्युटली लव दिस ड्राइव and also feel nostalgic because Chandigarh is a planned city, hence आपको बहुत ग्रीनरी और हर सड़क के साइड एक साइकिल ट्रैक जरूर दिखेगा। और फिर हम कुछ ही देर में पहुंचे सुखना लेक। Generally tourists or even locals come on the west side of Sukhna Lake, hence even I thought of starting my journey from this side. Like the city, even this lake was man-made, और जितनी खूबसूरत ये man-made lake है उतनी ही खूबसूरत इसके आसपास की सराउंडिंग्स। एक साइड पे इसके शिवालिक हिल्स और दूसरे साइड पे यहाँ पे एंट्री पे बहुत ही खूबसूरत ब्यूटीफुल गार्डन्स। चंडीगढ़ इज सिनोनिमस टू गार्डन्स एंड चंडीगढ़ के अंदर इतने तरह के गार्डन्स हैं कि आपको घूमते घूमते दिन लग जाएंगे। वील ऑल्सो डेफिनेटली कवर सम गार्डन्स इन द नेक्स्ट एपिसोड। एनीवेज, एज वी एंटर्ड दिस ब्यूटीफुल लेक, जहाँ पे खड़े होने की भी जगह नहीं होती थी, टुडे इट सीम्स beautiful as ever and calm as it can get. This beautiful man-made lake was created in 1958. Well, एक lake man-made हो कैसे सकती है? Well, the answer is by damming it. Well, it also has a commercial center on this side of the lake, and believe me, this place used to be absolutely crowded, but now it looks like this. Hope this pandemic is over soon. Anyways, this man-made beauty also has an island. Yes, an island which is also called as the Shoe Island. And it also has Chandigarh's famous open hand symbol, which was designed by Lee Corbusier. डैम तो कर दिया, लेकिन ये पानी आता कहाँ से? Well, the answer is those Shivalik hills that you can see, stream of natural water and some seasonal water coming from those Shivalik hills is conserved in this lake. Ab, the hidden treasure. No, I don't want to show you that guy, but somewhere there about 2.5 kilometers away is the hidden treasure, जो कि east side of this lake पे है. But before we could go there, I thought यहाँ से रॉक गार्डन कुछ सिर्फ 5 मिनट की वॉक पे है इस सड़क पे, तो why not just go and check it out. Rock garden was created by Nekchand ji, and believe it or not, with the waste. Yes, with the waste material. But as they say, pandemic की वजह से ये भी बंद था. But the other thing that I could see on the other side was absolutely nostalgic for me. This was a cycle track which you can see everywhere, and the cyclists were cycling. मुझे अपने दिन याद आ गए. And then I went and sat there for some time to enjoy. As the sun was setting, अब टाइम था आपको वो हिडन ट्रेजर दिखाने का. वो ऐसी जगह जहाँ पे सब लोग जाते भी हैं लेकिन जाके भी नहीं जाते. सुखना लेक के साउथ साइड ये बहुत ही खूबसूरत Garden of Silence. The Garden of Silence was created as a meditative space right at the end of Sukhna Lake. It has Shivalik Hills on one side and the lake on the other. It has the beautiful statue of Buddha amidst these concentric circular stairs. If you are into meditation, then the best time to come over here and meditate is in the morning. The garden opens at 6 in the morning. Then I thought of taking those stairs and show you how the lake looks from this side. Even more beautiful. Now let's see how the Garden of Silence and the lake look in one shot. Here you go. Hope you enjoyed watching this. In the next episode, I am going to showcase some of the best places in Chandigarh, such as the Rose Garden, the Leisure Valley, and many more. Some of the stills from the next episode. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you will watch the next video too. Thank you.